the world is running after certifications, right? So,
Yeah.
talking about content writing, becoming a certified content writer, what does it take basically?
I don't think it makes any difference for a writer if he is certified or not. Neither the client is concerned about it nor the companies, I would say. In very few cases, they ask for any certifications. But if you are having one, that is a validation to your skills. So you can take up various, in both unpaid and paid courses, they provide you certifications. If you are enrolling into a unpaid one like from HubSpot or from Google, they give you a certificate of completion of the courses, which tells that you have been through this course and you have, you know, gathered all the skills of a content writing, of content writer. So I don't think it makes any difference. But taking a certification is harmless as well. You can surely go for it, but it really doesn't make any difference whether you are having a certification or not to be a writer. It's just that your skill and your samples and write-up uh, shows it all how good you are.
Okay. Yeah. So, talking about if somebody is interested to go for certifications, what are the companies giving
Hmm.
certifications in content writing?
Yeah, HubSpot is giving HubSpot. If you are a member of HubSpot, you have three online different courses which gives free courses and they are certified as well. They are certified courses. Same is with the Google, the fundamental digital marketing course that I talked about. That is again a free course and you get a certification as well. Other than that, the IM skill and Henry Harvin that I talked about, even they give you certifications. So in the market, in my experience, if a writer is a HubSpot certified writer or a Google certified writer, there is a validation that he or she must be a good writer.
Okay.
Other than the samples, other than his or her write-ups, this is a kind of validation that validation on the skills of being a good writer. So you can log into the websites of this. I'll provide the website link on the description box. You can check it out. And there are all details about the courses, the fees, the time period, the duration, everything is there. You can see your availability and get yourself enrolled if you are interested in getting a certified course.
Okay. So Priyanka, when we
Yeah.
talk about certifications, for certain areas there are renewals in certifications, right? Like after 2 years, you have to renew your certification or something like that. Is there anything like that in
Yeah,
content
yeah,
writing
yeah.
certification?
No, not really. Yes, you what you can do is from time to time you can take up different courses.
Okay.
There are always different courses available, including some different types of features in it. So what you can do is you can take up different courses as per the demand of the market and then brush up your skills. There is nothing like a certification renewal here,
Mm-hmm.
but yes, from time to time you can get yourself enrolled in different kind of courses, which is a mix and match of different skill set. So you can take up those different kind of courses from as per the requirement.
Okay. Okay, so I think you have already covered this part, but to call out, differently, if I want to get a job, of a full-time content writer, will my experience matter or will the certification take the privilege?
I think certification won't take advantage.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, companies look out for experience for sure. Your experience will count. As you get experience in content writing, you brush up your skill. Those experience and those expertise reflect in your writing for sure. The writing speaks, whether you are a mature or an experienced one. So yes, the experience matter for a company who is looking for a full-time content writer or a part-time content writer. They will surely take in consideration the experience and expertise other than certificates.
Okay.
In my 4 years of experience, I have never been asked any certificate from any company or any client, both in freelancing and in full time. I haven't been ever asked to show a certification, if I am a certified writer or not. All they need is samples of my work, and yes, they do ask what is the experience and all. So certification really count low as far as the writing industry is concerned.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, the skill matters, certifications don't. Hi guys, so that was all about content writing, its types, certifications that you need to become a certified content writer for free and for paid courses as well. But if you want to understand after writing a good content, how to market it, because marketing is a very important part of something if your intention is to earn money out of your skill, right? So, and also to advertise yourself, to understand all of these things, and also to understand how do writers define their niche in the skill, then do not forget to watch the third part of this series, because this can fulfill all the gaps that are still present in your writing and also in terms of marketing. So guys, continue watching. I would stress on this point because this is gonna help you like nothing else. Alright guys, thanks again for following this series and watching us together. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to it.